Good morning, my little sunshine. Time to wake up and go to school, Tommy.
Oh no, Mommy, please. 5 more minutes, just 5 more minutes.
Look, baby, the sun is waking up already.
But Mommy, I don't want to get up at all. I don't want to go to school.
Why not, sweetie? Tell Mommy what you're thinking.
My blanket is so warm and comfy. I want to stay here with you forever.
Oh, I love my bed too, but school is an exciting adventure waiting for you.
What is exciting about school, Mom? It's just a big building.
Oh? It has a playground with a silver slide, a sand pit for your castles, and so many new friends. You love friends, right?
Yes, but Mommy, I will miss my room so much. Will my toys be sad without me?
Oh, your toys are so proud of you. They will wait right here to hear your stories tonight.
Really? Even my red trains?
Especially your trains. And at school, there is a giant toy corner just for you to explore.
Really? Do they have new trains?
Yes, they have shiny blue trains, long tracks, and even colorful blocks to build a station.
That sounds fun.
Are you ready to wake up now, my boy?
But why must I go to school, Mom?
That's a great question, my boy. School is where you learn to be a hero, strong, smart, and kind.
Can't I just stay home and play with you all day? I love our home, Mommy.
Then why don't you love both school and home? Here's the plan. In the morning, you explore the world and have fun, and in the evening, you can come home with me.
Okay, Mommy.
That's my boy. You know, school is a wonderful bridge to the big world. It's where you meet your first friends and start a very special journey. Are you ready, Tommy?
I think I am.
That's my boy. Now let's get dressed and have breakfast. Let's have breakfast, baby. Oh, look. Even the eggs are smiling at you today.
But Mommy, I have a question.
Sure. You can ask me anything, Tommy.
What will I do at school all day?
Oh, school is just like home, baby. You eat, you sleep, and you play very happily.
Really? But Mommy, if I get hungry at school, what will I do?
Don't worry, the school has a big kitchen. They make delicious lunch just for you and your friends.
That's good. But Mommy, do I have to sleep alone at nap time?
No, honey, you won't be alone. All your new friends will sleep in the same room.
But you know I'm scared of the dark, Mom. What if it's too dark?
The room is very cozy, and your teacher will read beautiful fairy tales to help you sleep.
Will she stay near me like you do?
Yes, she is very kind. She will be there to keep you safe all the time.
Okay, but can I play outside? I really want to see the slide.
Oh, yes. You will run, jump, and play on the slide with your friends every recess.
Can I be the leader of the line to the slide?
If you finish your breakfast, you will have the super energy to be the leader.
Okay, I will eat my eggs now. I want to be fast and strong.
That's my boy. You see, school is not a strange place at all. It's just like home, but with many new friends to join the fun.
I think I can do it, Mommy. Is it time to go now?
Almost. Drink your milk, my hero. Your big adventure is calling. Time to go to school, my boy. Wow, look at those big yellow buses. So many children are going to the same place as you.
Wow, so many friends. What if they don't want to play with me? I don't know anyone.
Oh, honey, look at their faces. Most of them are feeling exactly like you, a little bit nervous.
Really? Even the boy with the cool dinosaur backpack?
Especially him. Everyone wants to make a new friend today. Just give them a big, warm smile.
A smile? Is that enough?
It's a great start. A smile says, "I'm nice," without using any words.
But what should I say? My voice always disappears when I'm shy.
Don't worry, your voice is right there. You just need a simple plan, sweetie.
A plan?
Just walk up, look them in the eye, and say, "Hi, I'm Tommy." Can we play together?
Hi, I'm Tommy. Can we play together?
Good job!
But what if they say no?
Then you just find another friend. There are a lot of people, but I think everyone will say yes to a sweet boy like you.
Okay. Oh, Mommy, if I see a sand pit, can I invite them to build a giant sandcastle with me?
Oh, absolutely! Every kid loves a sandcastle.
I can show them how to make the towers.
See, you are already a great teammate. They will be so happy to have you.
I think I can try that. Hi, I'm Tommy. Let's build a castle.
Perfect! Just remember, school is a place to grow your heart, and a small hello is the magic key that opens the door to a lifetime of beautiful friendships.
I'm ready, Mom. Look, I'm practicing my friendly smile in the window.
It's the most beautiful smile in the world. Be brave, my son. Mommy is so proud of you. Look, Tommy, we're here. Are you ready for your first day at school? Can you see your teacher? She has a very kind smile.
I see her, but... Mommy, where are you going when I'm in class?
I have to go to work, honey. I will be busy, but I'll think of you all day.
Will you stay here with me? Just for a little bit?
I wish I could, baby, but I have to work to buy more picture books for us to read tonight.
But I'm scared. What if I miss you too much?
Whenever you miss me, just touch your heart. My love is always there with you in class.
Okay. But are you sure you will pick me up on time?
Of course, I promise. Mommy never breaks a promise to her hero.
Really? You won't forget me because you are busy?
Never. Look at the sun. When it starts to go down, I will be right here.
When exactly, Mom? I want to know the time.
Right after you finish your afternoon snack, I will be the first person you see at this gate.
After my snack? Pinky promise?
Pinky promise. I will be waiting with a big warm hug.
Then, can I tell you everything about my school day when you pick me up?
Oh, I'm so excited to hear about your new friends and your new adventures.
I will tell you about the silver slide and the sand castle.
I can't wait. You see, school is not a place where you leave home forever. It's just another fun home for you to explore during the day.
I see.
And remember, after your fun day, Mommy will always be here to bring you back home.
Okay, Mommy, I can do it. I'll be brave for my stories tonight.
That's my amazing boy. Give Mommy a big kiss and go have some fun. Tommy, my brave boy, I'm right here.
Mommy, I did it! I had so much fun.
Oh, I'm so happy to see your big smile. Give me a hug.
You were right about everything, Mom. Everything.
Really? Tell me, honey, was your teacher kind to you?
Yes, she has a very soft hand. She held my hand when we went to the library.
I knew she would. And how about the food? Were you hungry?
No, the lunch was amazing. We had yummy spaghetti with so much cheese.
Your favorite. Did you remember our magic plan for making friends?
I did. I saw a boy named Ben. He looked a bit sad.
And what did you do, my smart boy?
I walked up and said, "Hi, I'm Tommy. Can we play together?"
Oh, Tommy, I am so proud of you. What did Ben say?
He smiled and said yes. We went to the silver slide together.
Wow, you were the leader of the slide, weren't you?
Yes, we built a small sand castle too. School is not scary at all, Mom.
I'm so glad to hear that. You see, baby, school might seem scary at first, but it is actually a wonderful place.
Yes, it is.
It's where you discover new things and grow so much every single day.
Can I go back tomorrow? I want to show Ben my dinosaur book.
Of course, honey. But now let's go home and tell the toys about your big adventure.
Yes, let's go. I want to tell Daddy about Ben, too.
I love you, Tommy. You are my little hero.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun quiz for you. Please comment below and tell us, what is the name of Tommy's new friend? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.